Good morning, dear students. In the virtual class, we learn about the division of 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So now we are going to solve the next exercise from the topic, that is the division of 4-digit by a 1-digit number. So let's start the solve the exercise 5.4. Divide the following. So there are the sums given to you. I am solving few of them, and you have to be rest of the sum you have to do it by yourself. So first I am solving the A, that is the 2140 divided by 4. So 140 divided by 4. Write down the sum here. 2140 divided by 4. So starting the division, comparing first number 4 to 2 is the smaller, so we have to choose the 2 numbers. Now we have to start the table of the 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. So there will be a 20 and 24, so we have to choose the smaller number. So 4 5s are 20. Subtraction, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 2 0. 4 will be came down 14. So 4, as you know, 4 5s are 20, so हमें उसके पहले के numbers लेने पड़ेंगे. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. There will be 12 and 16, but 14 is between 12 and 16, so we have to choose the smaller number, that is a 4 3s are 12. Minus 4 minus 2 2, 1 minus 1 0. Remaining 0 will be came here. 20. As you know, 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Minus 0. 2 minus 2 0. So question is the 535. Remainder is the 0. Now next, B and C is your homework. Question 1, B and C is your homework. I am solving the D. That is 8964 divided by 7. So starting the division, 8964 divided by 7. So comparing the numbers 7 and the 8, so start the division of 1 by 1 digit. 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7 1. 9 will be came down 19. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 21 is the larger than 19, so we have to choose 7 twos are. 7 twos are 14. 9 minus 4 5. 1 minus 1 0. 56. Okay, there will be a 56. As you know, 7 8 are 56. So directly I am writing 7 8s are 56. 0 0. And the 4 will be came down. So you can see that there will be a 7 and here there is a 4. So you cannot do the division, so you have to stop the division here. But we are stopping here, but what will be happen, 4 will be came down. ऐसा नहीं कि वो किसी का सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से आई, वो पर्टिकुलर एक नंबर हमने ऊपर से नीचे उतारा है. अगर 56 माइनस 52 होता और यहाँ पे हमारा 4 रिमाइंडर आता, तब हम वहाँ पे स्टॉप कर देते. बट यहाँ पे 4 दैट विल बी अ नंबर्स एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू द डिवीज़न, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 7 है, यहाँ पे 4 है, तो हम डिवीज़न नहीं कर पा रहे. तो आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे 0 रख देना है. इफ़ दिस कंडीशन विल बी कम, आपने कोई नंबर उतारा है लेकिन उसको हम डिवाइड नहीं कर पा रहे, तब ही आपको 0 रखना है. एंड यू कैन से नाउ दैट 4 इज द रिमाइंडर. नेक्स्ट, E. 5006 divided by 3. 5006 divided by 3. So 5006 divided by 3. So start the division. 3 and the 5. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we have to take a 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 0 will be come down. So there is a 20. So 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So you can see that 3 sevens are 21 and 21 is the larger than the 20. So we have to take the smaller number, that is the 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So 0 for 0, that will be a 10 as per rule of the subtraction, and here we have to write down 1. 10 minus 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Again second 0 will be came down, again there will be a 20. So same process, 3 6 are 18, 10, and here there will be a 1. 10 minus 8, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. 6. Okay, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. So 27 is the larger than the 26. So you have to choose the smaller number than the 26. That is 3 eights are 24. 6 minus 4, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So you can see that remainder will be 2. So quotient I am writing here that 1668 and remainder will be 2. That's it. Next, F, G and H you have to solve by yourself. I am solving the I, that is the 9372 divided by 8. So arranging 9372 divided by 8 and here is 9. So division for the 1 by 1 digit, 8 ones are 8, 9 minus 8, 1. 3 will be came down 13. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 is the larger than 13. So again you have to take 8 ones are 18. Subtraction 13 and here will be 0. 13 minus 8, 5. 0, 7 will be came down here. Okay, there will be a 57. So 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. So 64 is larger, so we have to take the smaller number, that is 8 sevens are 56. 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 5, 0, 2. That will be a 12 and 8. So we can do the division. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 16 is the larger, so 8 ones are 8. Subtraction 12 and here will be 0. 12 minus 8, 4. So quotient is 1171 and remainder is 4. Okay, next is the story sum. I am solving the A. A factory has 7632 lamps. If they pick 6 lamps in each box and gift them to the orphanage, how many boxes of lamps does they gift? So number of lamp will be given here. There will be a one factory and it has 7632 lamps. Now they wants to be packed these lamps into the 6 packets to gift the orphanage. So we have to find out the number of lamp in a one box. So let's start. This is the story sum. So write down the 3 sentences here. So first sentence, number of lamps factory has is 7632. Then number of lamps in one box is 6. Now we have to find out number of boxes. To pack lamps. 7632 divided by 6. So start the division. 7632 divided by 6. 6 and there will be a 7. So start the division. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 1. 6 will be came down. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 18 is the larger than 16. So 6 twos are 12. 4 0. 3 will be came down. 43. So 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. So we have to choose the smaller number, that is the sevens are 42. 1 0. 2 will be came down. So 6 twos are 12. So you can write down the answer. Therefore, a factory has to pack 1272 boxes of lamp. Now B is your homework. In the question number 2, B is your homework. B and D is your homework. I am solving the C. 2592 silkworms were collected from the mulberry trees. So how many silkworms will be collected from the tree? They were placed in the 9 containers such that all containers had equal number of the silkworms. ओके जो सिल्क वर्म हमें मिले थे ट्रीज में से उसको 9 कंटेनर में डिवाइड किया इक्वली. How many silkworms were placed in each container? Now we have to be find out the number of silkworms in one container. So start the sum. Write down the 3 sentences. Number of silkworms collected from mulberry trees is 2592. Now they have to be placed into the 9 containers. So number of containers to divide silkworms is 9. Last we have to find out the number of silkworms in one container. Number of silkworms in one container is 2592 divided by 9. 2592 divided by 9. 9 and 2. So we have to take a 2 digits. There will be a 25. Here is 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 27 is the larger than 25. So 9 twos are 18. Minus 15 and here will be 1. 15 minus 8. 7. 1 minus 1 0. 9 will be came down. 9 sevens are 63. We have to find out 79. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. So we have to take 9 eights are 72. 9 minus 2 7. 7 minus 7 0. So 72 will be came again. So 9 eights are 72. 0. 7 minus 7, 0. So answer will become, therefore in one container there will be 288 silkworms. That's it. And D is your homework, and you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye everyone.